Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I'm sure you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my lip care routine. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm also there on Instagram, so if you want you can follow me over there. I'll put my Insta ID on the screen. Do check it. Let's go to the video. Guys, take any toothbrush and start scrubbing your lips with this. Guys, take this half slice of lemon and rub it on your lips. Okay, so guys, the last step is apply any almond oil जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल हो। मैं यहाँ पे डाबर का almond oil लगा दूँ। Just take a few drops. So that's it for today. This was my lip care routine. Do try it and let me know in the comment section whether you tried and it worked for you or not. And guys, also share it with your friends, family, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, one more thing. ये वीडियो का रिक्वेस्ट मुझे जिस पोस्ट ने किया था, उसके also और एक डिमांड थी कि मुझे प्लीज़ आप शाउट आउट देना थी. So shout out to you, अंकिता रॉय. God bless you. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.